Like it or not, here's how the media works. Who you are matters as much as what you did. It's reality. Kids are born every day in America. Nobody cares. Nobody covers it. But if it was a royal baby, we do. We go nuts. Bill the mailman has an affair in his house. Nobody cares. Bill the president does in the White House. Ooh. Sort of a big deal. So it stands to reason that in sports, a star quarterback does something profoundly stupid it's going to get more coverage than a punter doing the same thing. And that's okay. That's okay. This past week, Jameis Winston got in trouble again. Suspended for last night's game because he stood on a table in public and shouted something incredibly vulgar and offensive about women, okay? I'm not even comfortable putting any of his words on the screen behind me, okay? Some claim we're making too big a deal of this, and it's just he's a kid. Listen, we're not holding him to an unfair standard. I'm not buying that, and neither was Sam Ponder yesterday on game day.
I'm not buying that the expectations are too high. Here's what we're asking from him. We're asking you don't lie, you don't cheat, you don't steal, and you don't disrespect women.
Bingo. He's a quarterback who just won a national title and a Heisman, who had rape allegations and theft allegations, and now this. He needs to know better. This is even more troubling in the current climate. Right now, Winston's basically applying for a job, auditioning for a job that's, with a company that's struggling with respect for women issues. What he yelled at that student union was offensive on any day. But the fact that he did it now in this climate is mind-boggling. Jameis has got to get some self-awareness. I mean, last night he had to be told by his coach to take his pads off and change his attitude. I wouldn't touch Jameis Winston with a first down marker. If he's this bad at making decisions on a Tuesday at the student union in Tallahassee, how am I going to trust him on a Sunday in the National Football League? So from now on, stature matters. It's why certain people get certain coverage and why we expect more from them. Jameis hasn't learned it, and to me, he never will.